Driving fast and drifting might look cool, but it doesn't necessarily make you a great driver unless you're a professional racer. True driving skill is all about smoothness. People will call you a good driver when they don't feel the car shake during gear shifts, braking, or even starting the car from idle. Smooth driving isn't something that just happens, it takes practice and effort. Professional drivers, who spend most of their time behind the wheel, develop the ability to drive smoothly because of their experience. But even if you're not a pro, you can still master these skills with some simple tricks. Grab a flat-bottomed plastic bottle and draw a line around the bottle using a marker. The first line should be at the halfway point, marking 50% from the bottom. Then, draw a second and third line above the first one, dividing the upper portion of the bottle into 3 equal parts. Next, fill the bottle halfway with milk, up to the first line. Secure the lid tightly and attach the bottle to your dashboard using double-sided tape. When you're driving, especially if you're new to it, you might not notice the car jerking during gear shifts or braking because you're focused on the road. This milk bottle will help you gauge just how smooth your driving really is. Start your car and drive as you normally would. Watch the milk level. If it shakes a lot, it means your car is also shaking. The goal is to keep the milk as steady as possible. This will indicate that you're driving smoothly. If you're driving an automatic, the milk will shake only slightly. But if you're driving a manual, the milk level will vary depending on how smoothly you shift gears. The smoother the shift, the less the milk will shake. Aim for minimal movement to perfect your gear changes. We usually stop the car in 2 situations, planned stops and emergency stops. In an emergency, you may have to brake hard to avoid a collision, and smooth braking isn't always possible. But during planned stops, you often have enough distance and time to slow down gradually. Find a quiet place with minimal traffic and practice stopping your car. Watch the milk level as you brake. If it shakes a lot, your car also shaking a lot. If the milk reaches the second line, your braking is hard. If it reaches the third line, your braking is very hard. And if it goes beyond the third line, it's dangerous, and you need to work on your braking technique. Practice daily in a safe area until you can stop the car smoothly without causing the milk to shake. That's it. With consistent practice, you'll see improvements in your driving smoothness. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks.